8 bus companies are accused of implementing unauthorized fare increases. LTFRB has issued show-cause orders against those transport firms. LTFRB Chairman Vigor Mendoza says some of them operate routes in the Bicol region. The bus companies allegedly imposed additional charges due to rising fuel costs without LTFRB approval. Under the show-cause orders, the companies have 10 days from receipt to justify their actions. They are facing possible suspension or cancellation of their operating permits. The fare hikes were earlier approved by the LTFRB, but the implementation was suspended by President Marcos.